What's up mga kaagbay? For today's video, we will be talking about beside, besides, and aside. Which is which? How do they differ? Take a look. Beside means at the side of or next to. Example, he sat beside me in the front seat. How about besides? It means in addition to or apart from. Example, I have no other family besides my parents. Then the last one, we have aside. It means to one side or out of the way. Example, he pushed his plate aside. I hope you get something out of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Aniceto Garcia Vlogs.